thank you. You know, Maya throws the best parties, but I did not expect that we would be celebrating a victory of Quezon. So I'd like to say thank you, and if Daphne and Harold and Pong and Jake Magpagal and Mon Confiado please something. So the film is now has become something else. It's like a movement, a mirror, to para sa ating lahat, and I'm so honored to be a part of this. I'd like to call this is Daphne, our producer. TBA Studios gave us 10 years of their life in just giving amazing cinema sa Pilipinas. Here's Daphne Chu.
Thank you guys! Let's enjoy! Thank you, Echo! He won Best Actor of the Year in Esquire. Of course, we're so happy Mon is with us. Trilogy niya talaga yun. Trilogy ni Aguinaldo, Angel Luna, Goyo, and Quezon. So, huwag na tayong humingi ng Aguinaldo film. Tatlo na sa kanya.
From the start pa lang, alam ko na ikaw ang magiging Best Actor sa 2026. Ngayon pa lang, congratulations na. Napakahusay ni Jericho Rosales sa pelikulang ito. Saludo ako sa iyo. Congratulations.